On abrasive blasting jobs, noise levels consistently exceed 115 decibels. Noise complaints and violations are common, and operators exposed to noise above 80 decibels can experience debilitating noise-induced hearing loss over time. At 115 decibels, OSHA dictates the maximum safe exposure time is just 15 minutes per day. To reduce noise exposure, be in compliance, and gain more productive work time, noise must be reduced at the source. Improving hearing protection is not enough. Introducing the Blast Ninja Quiet Nozzle. Designed on aeroacoustic research into jet engine noise reduction, Oceanit engineers created an abrasive blast nozzle that reduces sound energy by 50% or more, protecting operators and enabling more productive blasting time. Blast Ninja reduces noise levels enough to meet OSHA's allowance for up to 4 hours exposure, without sacrificing performance. Blast Ninja is fast becoming a new industry standard for abrasive blasting, protecting workers, improving operational efficiency, and reducing liability. Visit blastninja.com to learn more and to get your own Blast Ninja Quiet Nozzle.